Hey everybody, it's Evelyn here, and in today's video, I am doing a magnetic roller set. I am using a rat tail comb to section and smooth the hair, butterfly clamps to control the hair, Nairobi foaming lotion as my setting product, and these are the magnetic rollers that I purchased from Amazon.com for about $21 and some change. You get 12 rollers in 8 different sizes, which makes this a total of 96 rollers. I also bought some end papers that I didn't even use and the clips to secure the rollers in my hair. This is everything that I am using today to do this magnetic roller set. Let's do it. The first thing that I am going to do is section my hair. So I'm going to show you exactly how to section your hair. You're going to go from behind the ear, go from ear to ear. It doesn't have to be straight. You just have to go from ear to ear. If you're doing it yourself, it's kind of hard to keep it straight anyway, because you can't really see. At least I can't. I'm just going to clip it up to kind of get the hair out of the way. And it's always best to work in sections so that you can have more control. My parts from ear to ear is probably not straight, and that's okay. Now my hair is parted from ear to ear, the best I could do without having a mirror. Here are the rollers. This is the largest roller. This is the gray roller. Now, I'm not going to use a gray roller because I want some curls. But I am going to use a bigger roller because my hair is longer. But do know that the larger the roller, the looser the curl will be. The smaller the roller, this is the smallest one in here, the blue one. The smaller the roller, the tighter the curl will be. Keep that in mind when you are doing your roller set, okay? This part here is going to be sectioned into 3. So I am going to pin this up with my butterfly clip. I'm going to get another clip, butterfly clip, and just pin it up here. I'm going to use the red roller, which is still on the big, larger side, but it's not as large as the gray or the purple one. Yeah, that should be okay. I am going to pin this up with my butterfly clip. So we have our first 3. All right, so now I'm going to go in and it's going to be this part here. I don't know how well you can see it, but I'm going to part from behind the ear across to the other behind the ear. Let me turn around. I'm just feeling it because I can't see it. Okay, this is kind of behind my ear. Don't worry about it being straight. I'm going to take this little piece back here and I'm going to pin it up. But I can't see. So I'm just giving you a general idea of how you are supposed to part your hair, section your hair. Okay, so I'm in the crown area and I'm just going to follow where this part goes, which is here. And I'm going to part it on down. But I'm just feeling as I go because I can't see. For the purpose of the video, hopefully you get an idea of how you are to part it or section it. And I'm showing you how to section it because this kind of helps you put in perspective where the rollers need to be placed. Same here. You feel where that part is and you just connect this part to that part here. Okay, I already know that it's not going to be straight, so don't y'all come for me. I'm just showing you the basics. Clip that. Now I'm in the back, up under the occipital bone. I do the same thing in the back section on this side to kind of meet this part. Okay, I can't see it, but hopefully you guys get the idea. And then the same here. Okay, this probably should go up a little bit further, but hopefully you get the gist of what I'm trying to show you. You have 9 sections that you're working with. You don't have to be perfect. Okay. All right, so I don't know really how this is looking, but do know you have 3 sections in the front, 3 sections in the crown area, and 3 sections back here. I have my comb, and each section when I get ready to start, I'm going to use this product here, this Nairobi setting foam. These clips I would say are the best clips to use when you're doing a roller set. Don't try to get duckbill clips or any pin curl clips. Use these types of clips because this section here, it really helps hold the roller in. I'm going to start in the front, in the middle here. Okay, shake this pretty good here. I'm going to be liberal with it. You want to section your hair, but you don't want to section it too big because you don't want to put a lot of hair on the roller because it would take a long time for it to get dry. You don't have to put end papers on here, but I'm going to do it. Smooth the hair. Hold your hair taut so you can have a little bit of tension on here. Take your roller. Smooth the hair over it. Also, make sure you have some tension because you want your hair to have some curls, right? And I'm smoothing this hair that's on the edge of the end paper. I'm smoothing it. When you roll, use some tension. And don't do it too loose, but make sure you have tension. Take your clip. We're going to go in here at the root. There we go. You stick it in through the root right here, and you can see it's pretty snug. I'm going to scratch the end paper because I'm having a hard time with my ends being so curly. So here we go. I got my hair. You want to make sure that you smooth the hair on the roller and roll with tension. And sometimes we put 2 clips to clip the roller together. Okay, here we go. I am all done rolling my hair. Now, I did the best that I could, and it's kind of hard to do something on your own head and then record and do all that, but nevertheless, I did it and I made it happen. So check out my rollers. Get a good little look here. The next step is for me to go sit under the dryer. I'm just gonna spray just a little bit on the hair. And I know y'all probably saying humidity. Anyway, we're gonna lock in what's already there. Just think about it like that. But I just wanna get a little bit more shine. It's a little bit of oil. And I'm gonna just put a little bit on, not a lot. I'm not trying to drench it or anything. There we go. Okay. The next step is for me to go sit under the dryer. I will see you guys when I get out from under my hooded dryer. Hey everybody, I am back after sitting under the dryer for 2 hours almost. I wanted to make sure my hair was dry. You know what? I sat under the dryer a little longer than 2 hours. So anyway, I sat under the dryer a long time. So let's take these rollers out. I wish that I would have stretched it a little bit more here, because you can still see my texture. But that's okay. That's okay. Look at that. It's really shiny. Look at that. Okay, let's finish taking it down. I kind of messed up right here, but it's gonna be okay, because when I maintain my hair, I have some little rollers that I'm gonna be using, and I'll show you guys that in the next video following this. But the hair has a lot of shine. Look at that. Very pretty. I'm not gonna comb out the curls or anything. I'm just gonna kind of fluff it out. I think I'm actually gonna be going somewhere, so I don't want to like take the curls out. I just want to leave it like it is. So let me show you guys how it actually looks. I think this is cute. And it feels so soft. Oh my goodness. So soft. It has a lot of body and it feels so soft. So soft. So soft. Yeah. I just hate I messed up right there. But we're gonna fix that. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Put them below. And also, if you want to see more videos, you know what to do. Click the videos on the end screen and I'll see you in the next video.